Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, delays in Social Security check payments. For many of the beneficiaries, Social Security payment isn't just a monthly deposit. It's a crucial financial lifeline that helps them budgeting for their month and make sure the household is in order. So when you hear about potential delays, it can feel stressful, even overwhelming, and not a good feeling. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down so you know exactly what's happening and what you can do about it. Before we get into the details, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about practical tips and insights to help you stay on top of your financial well-being. If you find this content useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Staying informed is one of the best ways to stay ahead when it comes to your financial security. Now, let's talk about what's been going on. First thing first, let me tell you the reason behind the delays. Recently, the Social Security Administration (SSA) has been going through some major changes, including the rollout of the Social Security Fairness Act. This law was designed to fix long-standing issues affecting public sector workers, including teachers, firefighters, and police officers, who have faced reductions or even complete loss of their benefits due to previous regulations. The good news? This legislation is expanding benefits for millions of Americans. The not-so-good news? Processing these changes is taking time. Lots of it. And we're not just talking about a few late payments here and there. This is a backlog of historic proportions. More than 3 million people are affected, and for some, these adjustments include retroactive payments going back more than a year. That's a lot of paperwork and a lot of manual processing. Then you might ask me, why can't they just speed things up? One major issue is that the SSA wasn't given additional funding to handle this increased workload. No extra staff, no additional resources, yet they're expected to implement these massive changes. As a result, things are moving at a snail's pace. You might be wondering, why can't they just automate the process? Unfortunately, many of these benefit adjustments require manual review on a case-by-case basis. Imagine thousands of individual files, each with unique circumstances, needing to be reviewed and corrected while SSA employees also manage their usual workload. It's no surprise that delays are piling up. So, let's talk about how long it will take. If you're waiting on a retroactive payment or an adjustment to your benefits, brace yourself. It could take over a year before all changes are fully processed. That's a long time, especially if you were counting on that money to cover essential expenses. Here is what you can do in the meantime. While you can't speed up the SSA's processing times, there are a few things you can do to stay ahead. Keep your information up to date. Log in to your SSA profile and double-check that your name, address, and other critical details are correct. This ensures that when it's your turn for processing, there won't be any unnecessary delays. Stay informed. The SSA has promised to provide regular updates. Keep an eye on their website or sign up for notifications so you know when changes happen. Minimize phone inquiries. If you've tried calling the SSA lately, you've probably encountered frustratingly long wait times. Over 7,000 people per day are calling to ask about these benefit changes, creating even more congestion. If your question isn't urgent, checking the SSA website first might save you time and frustration. Be patient but persistent. Yes, waiting is tough, especially when your financial stability is on the line. But knowing what's causing the delay can at least provide some perspective and help you plan accordingly. Let me share the bigger picture and tell me what you think. One of the biggest reasons for these delays is that the SSA is operating with its lowest staffing levels in 50 years. On top of that, a hiring freeze that started in late 2024 means they can't bring in new employees to help manage the backlog. It's a tough situation, but being aware of these challenges can help set realistic expectations. For some people, the changes under the Social Security Fairness Act could mean receiving an additional $1,000 or more per month. For others, the increase might be smaller, but any boost in benefits is significant. While waiting is frustrating, these adjustments will be updated. Be patient, and take advantage of available resources to ensure you're ready when your turn comes. If you have questions or concerns, drop them in the comments below. You're not alone in this. and sometimes just knowing that others are experiencing the same challenges can make a big difference. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need this information. Until next time, take care and stay informed. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, do not forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. We put in a lot of time, energy, and effort in putting the information together so you can make informed decisions. Thanks for joining me today. Take care, and see you next time.